Hi, my name is Ember, and this is ROTN STRIPS.
Hey, I'm Little Earl. This is ROTN Strip.
Hi, I'm Cosmo, and this is ROTN STRIPS.
Hey guys, Matt here, and I'd like to introduce you to a little thing we call strips. So ROTN STRIPS started a few years back where we wanted to kind of bring people a show every day for October, and we've kept that lineage going for quite some time, so that's what this is. So every episode of Strips will be a very different experience, and even each episode in itself won't be self-defined by like skits or random stuff. It's kind of just all over the board, so get ready for crazy. Anyways, this is episode 1, my episode. Welcome to ROTN Strips Down. It's like the 5th season or some shit. I don't know. What?
Read this.
What? What is it? What the fuck? No, Grim, that's a putt. Leave it. No. Do not touch that fucking possum. Grim. Don't you touch that fucking... Are you out of your fucking mind? That thing is gonna bite the shit. I'm not taking you to the hospital. I am not taking you to the hospital. Grim. You see how it just looked at you? Grim, don't pick that thing up. Are you out of your fucking mind? That thing's gonna, don't get it that close to your face. It's gonna bite you on the goddamn face.
Pick it up.
Do not get close to me with that goddamn thing. You need to put that thing back where you got it from. That thing's gonna chew your goddamn ear off.
I feel like a princess.
You have rabies now.
They don't have rabies.
I don't care.
They don't.
Grim, that is fucking dangerous.
I'm keeping her.
No, you're not. Hell, you say absolutely not. No.
Baby.
Put it back.
You gotta let me have it.
No.
She came to me.
No. Put it back. No.
She likes me. Look how sweet.
Oh, look at those teeth. Oh my God. Nope. I'm out.
Nah.
I'm out.
Do it!
Whoever's phone that is just got premium content for free.
Yes! Yeah! I did it!
Here, Graham. Off you. You want it? Do you want it, Graham? Here, come get it. Don't make me chase you, beautiful. Don't make me.
It's going out of focus!
Where's Matt at? Where's Matt? No, Matt's not here.
It's going out of focus when you get closer!
Bye, Graham. I hope you enjoy.
Grim, what the hell are you doing? Is that a potato? Is that just a raw potato that you're just eating? Do you need food? Are you a hungry little poor person? Throw the potato away. I ordered Chipotle, you shithead. Do not eat any more of that potato. Grim!